There's a war happening right now in Iran with Israel, and the U.S. is backing it up. We'll see what happens, but Bitcoin's holding strong, and let's go and see what is going on. It started coming down a little bit, but it's starting to recover. We are at our profit line is at 105,978. It's currently at or close to it, 105,268. So about $500 away. Current P&L negative $73 for my slow and steady account. Oh, I know. Actually, this is my. Let me look at my account here. Yeah, this is my slow and steady with the 11,000 balance. I pulled 10,000 for Aave, and we're just gonna write it out. Let's look at the other one, 25x. We're up a little higher. Our profit line is it's about the same, maybe about 1,000 away. 106, 400, as opposed with 105, 400, 105, 200. And I gotta climb up to about 795, 107, 500 before I start to close this order at 1% profit. So with 1% profit, I believe that would be a 1/4%. So I'm looking at about $175 to close that little position up there. Otherwise, if it comes down again, then we'll get liquidated, and that's it. I only got one good trade out of it and gave it all back, right? Um, but I will probably, I think I reduced the time period so that it's gonna reset once a day instead of too many 3 hours, instead of 4 times a day at 3 hours. It was just too much. It was just building up too much position too fast at too high of a thing. So. And we just take profit once a day. I think that'll be fine. 175 a day is still a pretty good salary, as long as the DCA is in, stays in profit, and does what it needs to do. Because right now we're just kind of like waiting, right? And we're not taking profit because we're kind of stuck. Okay. All right. So let's go take a look at a vault, the protocol vault. Still chugging along. The APR has come down to about 62%. But there's over 1.2 million now in vault value, so it's getting diluted for me, which is fine and good for them for taking advantage of it and putting more money. But you kind of have to fight with all these other guys, right? And if it keeps up at 62%, it's still good. I think we're up to like 3 now if I want to redeem my stuff, right? I would get another buck or two. So rather than fight, say here slow and steady. Use the DCA strategy. It's about 80%. Once it starts to take profit, it averages out. Some days you don't take profit all the time, but it does average about 80%. So as long as it doesn't get diluted, I'll probably stay with DCA strategy for now. I'll kind of watch it closely and see. I have more control. I can pull if I need to. I need to sell a little bit if I need to. I can DCA in more. I can change the strategy. I can change the rungs. I can adapt to whatever the market is doing, and just watch it. Okay. All right. I think that's all I have. It's gonna be a short video here today. I don't see anything else. Let me see if I have anything else on my checklist to talk about. Slow and steady. All right. Links in the description below. Access to this. You can use this for free. This is the only part that's $30 a month. And join Apex Omni. This link in the description below for joining Apex Omni. You have 5% off your fees. And you can do as many coins as you like. If you want to set all of these to be auto run, and it's all part of that $30. Okay. As long as this is there, you save it. It'll save it, and then every 24 hours it'll cycle through and do all your saved coins down here. So my ETH is turned. Is my ETH turned off? Yeah, it's false. So that means it's not running. Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you then. Bye.